here we were thinking that this case involving the two African athletes deemed ineligible to represent Jamaica College at Champs was over, and that the ruling by the Inter-Secondary School Sports Association, ISSA, was final. The boys arrived in Jamaica late and will not be allowed to compete. But in another twist, here comes Jamaica College first with a letter to the Honorable Minister of Sport seeking her intervention and mediation in the matter. And even more importantly is another letter to ISSA. Jamaica College is claiming that the boys are indeed not ineligible because the relevant rule speaks to being registered in the school before September 30th and says nothing about these boys needing to be physically present for that registration. And all of this continues to be against the murky backdrop of ISSA previously allowing another African to compete at Champs for Kingston College under similar circumstances. Yes. My suspicion is that the story not done yet. Yes, it's not done yet. It's not done yet.